Hello students, how are you? Next week I explain you how to say affirmative and negative sentence with your is and your are. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to ask questions, okay? Well, to make questions with there is and there are, you have to exchange the verb to be with there, okay? Is go first and are go first and next right there. Look these examples. Is there any bamboo around the water? Remember that you use there is to talk about countable singular nouns and uncountable singular nouns, okay? Use any in the question to talk about uncountable nouns, ¿ok? Entonces, en la forma interrogativa también utilizamos any para hablar de sustantivos incontables. ¿Listo? Okay, this is other example. Is there a bridge over the water? Well, now, how do you answer these questions? You can answer these questions using the short answers. Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Okay? Look this picture and please help me to answer these questions. Is there any bamboo around the water? Is there any bamboo around the water? The answer is no, there isn't. Perfect. And the other question is there a bridge over the water? The answer is no, there isn't. Well, continue. For the plural, first write are and use any, okay, for countable nouns. Perfect. To ask questions with there is and there are, use any. In the plural, use any for countable nouns. Are there any dragonflies over the water? Look the picture. You can answer yes, there are, or no, there aren't. For this question, the answer is no, there aren't. Yes. And the other example is, are there any fish in the water? Okay, fish is plural, okay. En el caso de este sustantivo, el plural se forma escribiendo igual la palabra como en el singular, ok. No se le agrega nada para formar el plural. Entonces, están preguntando que si hay algunos peces en el agua, ok. The answer is yes, there are. Okay, perfect. It's correct. My dear student, it's all. I hope that you understand me in this topic. Goodbye.